Hello students, let's solve this math problem where we are going to find the cost of items. So the question is, the cost of 2 pens and 3 notebooks is 86 and the cost of 3 pens and 2 notebooks is 84. Find the cost of 1 pen and 1 notebook. We can use linear equations to solve these kind of problems. So let's make equations and let us first assume the cost of pen be x and the cost of notebook be y. And the cost of one notebook be y. We have assumed the cost of one pen and one notebook be x and y. Let's make equation from first condition. The first condition says the cost of 2 pens and 3 notebooks be 86. So according to the problem, cost of 2 pens, that means 2x, plus cost of 3 notebooks will be 3 times y equals 86. This is our first condition. Let's name the equation as equation 1. And similarly, we are going to make the second equation. The second equation says the cost of 3 pens, so that will be 3x, and 2 notebooks, so 2y equals 84. This is our second equation. So now we got two equations. Let's solve the equations by using the elimination method. So we can eliminate either x or y term. So here we are going to eliminate the y term. Eliminate the y term, we are going to multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3. So multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So this will be 2x plus 3y equals 86 times, and this is 3x plus 2y equals 84 times. So first equation we are going to multiply by 2 and the second one by 3. So the equations will be 2 times 2x will be 4x plus 2 times 3y will be 6y equals 2 times 86. So 6 times 2 is 12. 1 is carried over. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. That's 172. Let's name the equation as equation 3. And the second equation will be 3 times 3 is 9x plus 2 times 3 is 6y equals 84 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. That's 252. This is equation 4. So we are eliminating the y term from the equation. So let's subtract the two equations. Subtracting equation 4 from 3. Equation 3 is 4x plus 6y equals 172. And equation 4 is 9x plus 6y equals 252. And as we are subtracting, the signs will get changed. So this 6y and 6y will get cancelled. So 4x minus 9x will be negative 5x equals 252 minus 172. So that will be 2 minus 2 is 0. 15 minus 7 is 8. So that's 80, and 252 is a bigger number. So here we'll put a negative sign. So that's negative 5x equals negative 80. To find the value of x, we'll transpose 5 to the right hand side. So x will be negative 80 divided by negative 5, or x equals, so 5 times 16 is 80. So x is 16. That means the cost of one pen is 16. Let's find the cost of notebook. So putting the value of x in equation 2. Equation 2 is 3x plus 2y equals 84. 3x plus 2y equals 84. We can put the value of x in any of the equations, but equation 2 is a simpler one, so we are going to put it in this one. So 3 times x will be 3 times 16 plus 2y equals 84. 3 times 16 is 48 plus 2y equals 84. Or 2y will be equal to 84 minus 48. We have transposed 48 from left to right hand side, so sign will get changed. So this will be 2y equals 84 minus 48 is 14 minus 8 is 16 and 7 minus 4 is 3, 36. So y will be equal to 36 divided by 2, or y equals 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 8 is 16. So the value of y is 18. That means the cost of one notebook will be 18. So we got the cost of one notebook and one pen. Let's write our final answer. Our final answer will be the cost of one pen is 16 and the cost of notebook is 18. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer. So, and this is how by using linear equations we can solve these kind of problems. Let's take a look at the solution once again. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.